What if the breakthrough you've been awaiting begins with one bold, childlike prayer? In the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 7, verses 7 to 12, Jesus gives three verbs: ask, seek, knock. Not once, but continuously. For prayer is not passive, it is persistent trust. In relation to this Gospel reading, Pope Francis had once addressed the audience saying, with these words, Jesus makes it understood that God always responds, that no prayer will remain unheard. Why? Because He is Father and does not forget His suffering children. Of course, these affirmations disconcert us because many of our prayers seem not to obtain any results. And Jesus advises us in those moments to persist and not give up. Prayer always transforms reality. Always. If things around us do not change, at least we change. Our heart changes. And when Jesus says, if you who are wicked know how to give good gifts to your children, how much more will your Heavenly Father give good things to those who ask Him? So when we feel our prayer requests are unheeded by God, know that God, our Heavenly Father, will only give what is for us, and we need to rest in that assurance. This passage reminds us that God parents us better than we parent our children. The golden rule follows: do to others what you would have them to do to you. Children learn empathy not from lectures, but from lived example. Today is the feast day of Saint Alexander of Alexandria, the patron saint of Alexandria and those involved in defending the Nicene Creed. He was the 4th century patriarch who defended the divinity of Christ against the Arian heresy. He played a pivotal role leading up to the Council of Nicaea and mentored Saint Athanasius. He tirelessly defended the nature of the Holy Trinity and was instrumental in formulating the Nicene Creed, which I love. The creed affirmed the divinity of Christ and rebutted Arian doctrines. If this capsule reflection strengthened you, share it with those needing encouragement today. Please do keep me and my mission in your prayers. Your support means a lot, and I'm deeply grateful to each of you listening in daily. God bless you. See you tomorrow.